rolling with codeine and a sweatshirt. Shit, I just might kiss. She just change your Twitter to party gets me wetter.
Hey y'all, it's me Jada and I'm back with another video. So today I will be using the Janet Collection 1-pack solution. It's Brazilian hair. It comes with 3 bundles and like a frontal. It's somewhat like a frontal. It's pretty much like has just edges. It's not a back to it. It's not like a full frontal piece, and you will see that on the back. It's just pretty much like a regular closure with edges, and that's how it looks pretty much. So it's kind of like being able to have a frontal without having to do all the frontal work. And I got a 10, 12, and 14 inch, and it also came with the Isha glue, like a little like a travel size Isha glue. So yeah, somebody wanted to say hey since he never lets me record. So I'm just going to take my Shimmer Light shampoo and do the watercolor method to tone down the brassiness in the wig. So I just mixed the shampoo and some warm water and started dipping the hair. And pretty much did this until I felt like it was like white enough to take the color. And this is what it's looking like after doing the watercolor method. And as you can see, it definitely lightened it up a lot. Now in the clips before this, you guys only seen me color the top portion of the hair. So after it dried, I just changed my mind and I decided that I wanted it all to be that color. So I just went back and did the same exact steps that I did before. And I'm just gonna silk press the hair for this video just to show you guys the color and how everything came out. this is how the color came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will have a install and styling video coming up next, so stay tuned.